Oh, yeah, it is. Muscles him up. Combinations.
That victory by Mysterio over Guerrero has to make him the #1 contender to the Cruiserweight title.
Pick up. Could be that suplex slam we've seen. He put it on rope.
This is it.
He's still got the helmet on. He's got his guard on. He's got the jackhammer on here. Let's see. Yes, he does. One. Goldberg hooks up Glacier. May have him for the jackhammer. Up and yes.
Stevie Ray over. Picked him up.
Jackhammer.
And has the jackhammer.
That's phase 1.
Goldberg up. The jackhammer. But it's awesome.
Jackhammer time.
Here comes. Up and down. He has fought through this onslaught by Regal. Jackhammers him down. Has him up. Has Goldberg. Picks up Darso. Jackhammer time.
Oh, yeah. We're going to have to wait long.
For the jackhammer.
And yet, he's got him up.
Yes, it is. Here he goes again. Another man.
The jackhammer.
Incredible.
No.
Holds him up for a long time. And then a jackhammer. Way up. One arm.
Oh, yeah. This. He's just toying with him.
He's
He
running.
wants him across.
Because
It's over.
Oh, she wrote.
Call it.
Because this one is over.
Tag him.
This one's for you, Hennig.
You smell 100.
And down. Oh, hell yeah.
Here's step 1.
Yes, sir.
There's the power slam.
Goodbye.
Oh, I win again.
Yes.
The biggest athlete in pro sports is out.
He did it. He done.
Out of the tongue and death grip. Into the jackhammer. Going way down.
I'm going to go out on a limb and say 141 right here.
Picks him up like a hydraulic jet.
And up. Jackhammer. Jackhammer and down. They're staining everyone. Oh my. He's got it. Jackhammer shitting. All right. Let's see if Goldberg can. He's the jackhammer. He's up. And Goldberg's going for the jackhammer. There it is. Yes, Goldberg revs up the move. There it is. There it is. From the spear to the jackhammer. Yes.
Goodbye, lightning foot.
Spear leads the jackhammer. Jackhammer. Up goes Sting. And it's coming down.
Goldberg in.
And he did. He got it.
Like Kevin Nash.
We got new World Tag Team Champions on the floor. Yeah. Jackhammer. Oh, yeah. Spear. He's going up for the jackhammer.
Fought the good fight.
The jackhammer on the kidney for life. Yeah.
Is about to feel the jackhammer.
Can anybody beat out the now spear? And now jackhammer. Down goes. Up. Look at this. This is things like jackhammers clicking, getting a glimpse of Goldberg here in Australia. And he's jackhammer.
What are we thinking right now?
Look at this. Here comes the jackhammer. He looks at Luger. He looks at my God. Look at that.
That's going to leave a mark.
God.
Night-night.
And down he goes. Over 500 pounds of humanity. No.
Take it, though.
Up and down from the jackhammer. Him up.
Oh, look at that.
Yes, he can. The spear. It's a jackhammer.
In that right shoulder. And he does. Oh, the jackhammer.
is up. Will it be?
Is it? Oh, baby! Full of faith.
The spear. A jackhammer to do this. My God, jackhammer. There. Oh my God, he did it. Goldberg did it. And now. Jackhammer. The jackhammer.
Be kidding me!
The strength. And the jackhammer. Oh man.
Tell me what happens.
Okay. Oh, jackhammer. And it's jackhammer time. The second spear. Jackhammer. The jackhammer.
Look at the jackhammer. A jackhammer to Lesnar. Here's the cover. With a jackhammer. Here's the cover.
He can.
He will. Jackhammer. Cover.